Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about shopping at a store.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, do you like shopping?
Yes, I do. I like shopping very much.
That is great. What do you usually buy?
I usually buy food, clothes, and small things for my home.
That sounds nice.
What about you, Ryan?
I like shopping too. I usually buy food and drinks.
Do you go shopping every day?
No, I do not. I usually go shopping once or twice a week.
Me too.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually go to a supermarket near my house.
Is it a big supermarket?
Yes, it is quite big.
That sounds convenient.
It is. I can buy many things there.
What is the first thing you do when you enter the store?
I take a shopping basket.
Good idea.
What about you?
Sometimes I take a basket, sometimes I take a shopping cart.
I see. Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I do. It helps me remember what I need.
That is very useful.
Do you make a list too? Yes, it helps me save time.
I agree.
What do you usually buy first?
I usually buy fruit and vegetables first.
What kind of fruit do you like?
I like apples, bananas, and oranges.
Those are very popular fruits.
Yes, they are.
I like bananas too.
They are healthy and easy to eat.
That is true.
What vegetables do you buy?
I usually buy carrots, tomatoes, and onions.
Those are useful vegetables for cooking.
Yes, they are.
After buying fruit and vegetables, where do you go?
I go to the dairy section.
What do you buy there?
Milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Nice.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Milk is very common in many homes.
That is right.
Do you buy bread?
Yes, I usually buy bread.
White bread or brown bread?
Usually brown bread.
Very nice.
Do you compare prices when you shop?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because I want to save money.
That is smart.
Thank you.
I compare prices too.
Sometimes two products are very similar.
Yes, but one may be cheaper.
Exactly.
Have you ever asked a store worker for help?
Yes, many times.
What do you usually say?
I say, "Excuse me, where can I find rice?"
That is a useful sentence.
Thank you.
Another useful sentence is, "Can you help me?"
Yes, many people use that sentence.
Store workers are often very helpful.
I agree.
Let's talk about clothes shopping.
Great idea.
Do you enjoy buying clothes?
Yes, I do.
What kind of clothes do you like?
I like simple and comfortable clothes.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like t-shirts and jeans.
Very popular choices.
Yes,
Do you try clothes before buying them?
usually yes.
Me too.
It's important to check the size.
Exactly.
Now let's learn some English vocabulary.
Great.
The word basket.
A basket is something you carry in a store.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
Another word is cart.
A cart is bigger than a basket.
Very good.
Let's learn another word.
The word is price.
Price means how much something costs.
Example, the price is $5.
Excellent example.
Another word is cheap.
Cheap means not expensive.
Example, this shirt is cheap.
Good job.
What about expensive?
Expensive means something costs a lot of money.
Very nice. Let's learn a little grammar.
Okay.
We often use I need when shopping.
Example, I need some milk.
Very good.
Another example, I need a new shirt.
Excellent.
We can also ask questions.
For example, how much is this?
That is a very useful shopping question.
Yes, it is.
Let's practice a short shopping conversation.
Good idea.
Excuse me, how much is this apple?
It is $1.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That is simple and useful.
I agree.
Ryan, do you like shopping alone or with friends?
I like shopping with friends
Why?
because it's more fun.
That sounds enjoyable.
What about you?
I usually shop alone.
Really?
Yes, I can shop more quickly.
That makes sense.
Thank you.
What about our listeners?
Do you like shopping alone or with friends?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to know.
Let's continue.
Okay.
What do you do when you finish shopping?
I go to the checkout counter.
Then what happens?
The cashier scans my items.
Then you pay?
Yes,
Do you use cash or a card?
usually a card.
I often use a card too.
It is easy and fast.
I agree.
Have you ever forgotten something on your shopping list?
Yes, many times.
Me too.
Then I have to go back to the store.
That happens to me as well.
It can be a little annoying.
Yes, but it's okay.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for listening and learning English with us.
Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary.
Great idea.
Basket,
Something you carry in a store.
cart,
A large shopping basket with wheels.
price,
The cost of something.
cheap,
Not expensive.
expensive,
Costs a lot of money.
cashier.
The person who takes payment in a store.
Excellent review.
Thank you.
One more question for our listeners.
What do you usually buy when you go shopping?
Please share your answer in the comments.
We enjoy reading your comments.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned useful English today.
Keep practicing every day.
Learning English can be fun.
See you in the next episode.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.